Guys, we got a special one in today. It's a good friend of mine. His name is Assad. He owns International Motors here in Nashville, Tennessee. Hit him up if you want to buy this car. It's a 2020 Supra. Really beautiful car. It's only got 14,000 miles. We're going to start doing a collaboration, me and him. He's going to get us all of these exotic cars that he buys. We'll showcase the exhaust on them for you guys. And if you guys are interested in buying them, you hit them up at this number at 615-712-8985. There's his website and everything. So here it is. So it's got a full TOMEI 3-inch exhaust system, as you guys can see. And it's got a cat delete. So you guys gonna have to put a cat back on it if you have emissions. We didn't do this system, it came with it. As you guys can see all the way back. I'll get you guys the link for the system. 3-inch system all the way back. And this is the TOMEI Extreme TI kit. Single outlet right there. It's got a tune on it. It's got a bunch of other things on it. If you guys are interested in this car, just give him a call. I gave you guys the number. Here it is again. 615-712-8985. Ask for Assad. It's a really beautiful car. A lot of aftermarket stuff has been done to this car. It's only got 14,000 miles, right? Yeah, 14,000 miles on this beautiful car. And he's got a lot of other exotics, so check out his website. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Tell us what you guys think about this idea of getting more exotic cars in for you guys. 2021 Toyota Supra. A really beautiful car. Got factory converter up there. Then it had so don't let muffler shops fool you. It has a secondary cat. That's the front of it. I don't know if you guys can see inside of it, but it only is this much of it is catalytic converter. And then it's got a resonator on it built into the catalytic converter. A lot of these new dealerships are doing these dealer manufacturers. I don't know why, but that's how they're doing it. So it's got a resonator and cat in one, as you guys can see. Part cat, part resonator. So we took it off, did custom piping, bent it short, ovaled it, and put a high flow cat on it right there. 3-inch in, 3-inch out. And then continued the 3-inch that the factory had. And then there was a muffler delete somebody else did. We didn't do it. There, as you guys can see, they pieced it together. And they put some blue flame tips out the back on each side, there and there. So we're gonna let you guys hear it. We'll let you hear it before what it sounded like. We will let you guys hear it after. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. And it is a Supra GR. Let it idle for a second. This is what it sounds like on idle. Give a guess. As you guys can see, it's a beast. I don't know what the tune is on it and everything, but it doesn't sound like your average Supra. Again, there's sound decibels. Right at 120. Just a sick car, man. If you guys are interested, hit him up. And it's a Supra GR. Do a roundabout. Toyota Supra. Go ahead. Power, man. Wow. Again? It's got carbon fiber accents here. Here it is. It's got the front lip. Here it is. One more. Pop the hood. Did you see?
What was the decibels?
Yeah, you didn't know.
What are they right now?
Again? Get it to 5,000. Again? Yeah, it was at he said it was at 100 before, so it's 105 now.
Okay.
Because he was recording it.
It was at 100?
Yeah. So it's 5 more. When it's under load, it'll be even louder.
It's got some tone to it.
Yeah. Go ahead and back it out. Again? Yeah, it is a different tone. Again? He's got a marble finally.
Those pops are a lot louder.
Good. Toyota Supra. Speed, be smooth. So, 2021 Supra.